Good morning, day 5 of the Calitzdorp Communio. Stretching from Rietfontein to De Hoop offers pilgrims a captivating 21.5 kilometers journey through the heart of the Klein Karoo diverse landscapes. Throughout the day, walkers are treated to the Klein Karoo's tranquil ambience, offering moments of reflection, of connection with nature. The combination of physical challenges and serene environments make the leg of the Camino a memorable experience for all the participants. Along this 21.5 kilometer stretch through the Klein Karoo, pilgrims encounter numerous farm gates, a defining feature of this rural horticulture terrain. Some gates are unlocked and swings open easily, while others are firmly closed and must be climbed over, especially when locked or jammed shut. These gates, both physically and symbolically, their holds, often serve as a reminder of the region's working farms and its rugged, unmanned circular beauty. Here is what happened makes it special. Every gate is different, from white steel structures to rust wire barriers, and variety add a rustic unpredictability climb over. Where there is no way through, there's often a way over. Pilgrims share stories of helping each other across the finding inventive ways to man over safely. Every gate I crossed felt like a threshold. Some I walked through, some I climbed over, but all of them moved me forward.
1, 2, 3.
Ready to go. Hoorie julle, ek moet nou eers gaan sit.
Is reg.
Ja, sit. Hou net vas, hoor.
Okay.
Waar loop julle nou langs die heining? Op die tweespoorpaadjie.
Ja, ons wag vir jou, gaan sit rustig. Ek voel ook of ek 'n boef.
Ek nou nommer 2.
The gate between, we walked where silence held the land, through dust and thorn, through open sand. The path was old, the sky was wide, and gates stood watch on either side. Some swung with easy, a simple grace, a gentle hand, a softened pace, but others held their stubborn line. No welcome sign, no open sign.
Dit nou skree.
Treks through Africa.
Okay. Waar is die koel te staan?
Wag het ek julle
Vingers in die lug.
1, 2, 3.
Treks through Africa. Please follow and subscribe.
Not high, but high enough to feel the strain, to prove and wear tough. A boot or wire, a hand on rust, a breath held still in the morning dust. Is gate a question, will you dare to lift, to heave, to meet the snare, or will you turn, avoid the climb, and miss the verse inside the rhythm? For every gate, both shut and free, became a whisper pray to me. That's not all paths are smooth or wide, and not all doors swing open wide. Some ask your sweet, some ask your grace, some mark a pause, a snare placed between each fence, the land unrolled. Its quiet truth, its story tells.
Ons het nou net oor die teerpad gekom. Nou is ons weer aan die ander kant van die vlaktes.
Ek wil hou vas. Ek wil daar onderom gaan staan.
We walk the line where trains once passed, steel and stone, a path so fast. Each slipper spoke in rust and rhythm of journeys curved through the dust and time. The past beneath our feet still fast.
Ons is nou hier op 'n spoorlyn na ons gastehuis toe.
Of the track, the whip comes clear, a stipple small, yet drawing near. Grysbok Self-Catering Accommodation is tranquil farm stay nestled in the serene landscape of Oudtshoorn, South Africa. Situated approximately 12 miles from Oudtshoorn golf courses, this accommodation offers guests a peaceful retreat with picturesque garden views. The air-conditioned farm stay comprises 3 bedrooms, a living room, a fully equipped kitchen featuring modern applicables like dishwasher, kettle, and 2 bathrooms with walk-in showers and hairdryers. Guests can enjoy amenities such as free Wi-Fi, private parking, an outdoor fireplace, and access to a fitness room. The Lapa at Grysbok Guest Farm became a secret cycle of recovery. Rustic stone walls, the sense of wood smoke and laughter mingling with silence. It's not just where you eat, it's where the day's journey settles into the memory. Dust boots off, backbench low, pilgrims gather where warm fire glows, smoke curls soft above the flame, stories shared, no need for fame, meat on the braai, stars overhead, rest at last and bodies fed. Gathering around the Lapa at Grysbok Guest Farm, where Heidi is in charge, weary pilgrims find solace in the warmth of the fire and the aroma of sizzling ostrich kebabs. This lean, tender meat, rich in flavor and low in fat, is a South African delicacy, perfect for replacing energy after a long day's journey. Smokes fade and the stars takes flame, the fire low, the laughter tame, boots by the door, dust on the floor. We rest our bones, we ask no more. Tomorrow waits beyond first light. Good night, pilgrims, sleep tight.